me you love me.
I love you.
Say I love you, Donisha.
I love you, Donisha.
Not crump. Tell me you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Say I apologize.
I apologize.
Say I want to come in now.
I want to say, I can't feel my leg.
Though I'm missing you, I'll find a way to get through. Living without you, 'cause you were my sister, my strength, and my pride. Only God may know why. Still I will.
Ready? Shut up, bitch.
My BFF.
Okay, now the bitch is taking her braids down.
Look at our piercing.
Bitch. My baby is taking her
Look
braids
at the piercings. Check them out.
Check out the piercing.
The BFF and the other BFF.
I'm almost done, bro. You gonna do my
Why?
Tell me you love me.
Look, dog, you on camera now.
First of all,
Tell me.
So suddenly, so fast. How could it be that our sweet memories would be all that we had planned? And now that you're gone, every day I go on, but life's just not the same. I'm so empty.
Come on, man.
Finish dancing.
I'm done. Ah. Ah. Come on, let me in.
I'll try to face the pain, though I'm missing you. I'll find a way to get through. Living without you, 'cause you were my sister, my strength, and my pride. Only God may know why. Still I will get by.
There were so many things that we could have said. If time was on our side. Ooh, yeah. Now that you're gone, I can still feel you near. So I'll smile with every tear I cry.
Wipe your face, girl.
I'm gonna hit you right in the
Let me
mouth.
wipe your face.
I'm gonna hit you right in the face if you don't get.
Ain't that? You are so mean. I'm just trying to wipe the pancake stuff off your face.
You a pancake lie. I was doing that when he put it in his skillet.
Look, right here. If you hit me again, let me just wipe your face. You got stuff right here. See, that wasn't. Give me the towel. Give me this pillow.